we are going to be, I'm bringing back Try Tuesdays, because I feel like if I do a Try Tuesday and if something fails, I don't feel too bad, but you and I are sitting here and we're actually like trying it together. So you know what I'm saying? Like, it's not like a fail. It's like a, okay, I'm trying it to go better, to be better. So I'm bringing back Try Tuesdays. So today I'm going to be trying this blue highlighty thing, look, situation, stuff that's going on here. In the next clip, you'll see what I'm trying. So that way you'll know what the hell I'm doing. Right now, see, there it is. You see it? You see that pretty blue? You see that blue right there? You see that? Yep. That's what I was attempting to do, but I didn't realize that she put glitter on her eyes until after I watched the tutorial. I'm like, damn it. Okay. Anyway, to start off with my base, I use the Ulta Beauty's Full Coverage Liquid Concealer. Found a liquid concealer in Fair Neutral. I wish that I could find one that was like all white, but that was the lightest one that I could find at that particular moment. So yeah. This blue that I'm putting on my crease is the Take Me to Brazil, the original palette, and it is the blue. I mixed the two blues eventually, so it's like the I'll show y'all right there. There we go. Those two blues. I put those two blues together, and I obviously and put it on my eye. Now, here's the thing with me. I don't know what I'm trying to do, y'all. I just know that the way that I'm used to doing my eyeshadow is completely different than what I have done today. Like, it's completely different. So I'm trying. Y'all, please bear. Y'all see where I'm placing it. You see where I'm placing it. Right here, I'm taking the darker bluish, kind of, sort of, that color, and M.A.C dark blue. I think it's called navy blue. It is called Atlantic blue. An Atlantic blue, and I'm trying to darken the crease a little bit. Just the tiniest a bit. It'll eventually work. I don't know. Yeah. You see what I'm doing. Yeah. That's all that I've done, is to do that. just the tiniest bit. I'm gonna go in with a little bit more to try and deepen the crease, because I feel like my crease wasn't deep at all. I think right here, I'm adding a little bit of black, just regular black, just regular black. I'm trying to blend it out so that way it's not too harsh, because I wanted it deeper, and I wish that I had like a deep blue, but I couldn't. I didn't have a deep blue, so yeah. So I went with black. I mixed black and blue together. That's what I've done. And so now, as you can see, I made it darker. By the way, this whole thing was an hour and a half long. It took me an hour and a half to film it all together. The lighting is different because I filmed it during the day and during the night because I had things to do. So yeah. Right here, I'm taking that same concealer, that same Ulta concealer, and this is actually a gel brush. This isn't a regular, this is a gel brush that was just too tiny for me, and I said, well, you know what, I'm gonna use it for my makeup. And so I'm using this brush to carve out my, I don't want to call it a crease, because I mean, even though it's a crease, but I don't know, it's like a creasy eyelid thing. I don't know what you want to call it. I don't know. I'm just trying to perfect it. As you can see, do you see a little nip right there? Yeah, this is why I was on the try on Tuesday, because, yeah. Anyway, so I'm just trying to make sure that it's sharp for me, so I can get it nice and sharp, honey. Nice and sharp, because it needs to be sharp for me. Didn't mean to bring it down that low, but it's cool. It's fine. Right here, I'm taking a dark blue and a black, and right there, you see that? Yeah, that's what I'm doing. Yep, I don't know. Yep, that's what I'm doing. I don't know what you want to call it. I'm making like a wing. I don't know what I'm doing here. I don't know what you want to call it, but I'm making like, I don't know. I have no idea. I don't know. I have thought of a name yet, but we're going to think of a name together eventually. But that's what I'm doing. That right there. This is a flat eyeliner brush. Where did I get this brush from? I actually got that brush from Where did I get that brush from? I don't remember where I got that brush from, but I got that brush from somewhere. And I got it. I think it's a NYX, not a NYX. What are those people called that are super cheap, y'all? I don't know. I can't remember. It's one of those brushes. I went in with Coastal Scents, Platinum Blue, and put that down as the base. And then I went over top of it with NYX's glitter liner in the, I think it's called Silver. I don't know. I'll have to link it down below. But I went in with NYX's Silver and put that on top. I'm mad because I do have glitter and I should have put the glitter on top, but I was not thinking. I really was not thinking. And I should have done it while I had to wait, because I had to wait for my camera because my camera died and all that good stuff. And it was just, oh my God. So, as you can see, I threw in a pair of lashes. I think I put liner. Yeah, I don't remember. There we go. You see the lighting changed? Because this is now just strictly lights. I'm just taking those same colors that I put on my lid under my waterline. That's all. Yes, I do look extremely washed out here. That will change. See? That changed as soon as I backed out. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. Okay, so as you can see, I'm removing the foundation that was on my lips so it doesn't like mix in with my lipstick. And I'm taking the L'Oreal Infallible Les Chocolat Scented Perfume. This one is in the Pro Matte Liquid Lipstick in the color, what color is this? I have no idea. Color 856 70% Young. And I'm going in and I'm just, as you can see, doing my lips like that. And then I'm taking, I bought this off of AliExpress. It's cheap. Yeah, just put a lighter, what is this stuff called? Lipstick in the middle. Because I didn't want the brown to be brown, but I wanted it lighter than that. So I just put it in the middle. And yeah, you can do whatever you want to your lips. Again, this was a Try Tuesday. Don't matter. I got makeup on my shirt. You see that? This is why it's Try Tuesday. Because, yeah, this is rough. Anyway, this is it. And then like a dummy, I deleted my outro. Yeah, so this is all that I'm going to be doing. Literally, this is the look. As you can tell, I will see. I believe I took pictures. I will drop them below somewhere. If not, they will be my thumbnail. But yeah, I thank you guys for watching, and I thank y'all for bearing with me while I go through this and ignore my, what's this thing called? My backdrop, because I'm learning, y'all. I'm learning. Anyway, this is it. This is the final look. I thank y'all for watching. I thank y'all for subscribing, sharing, all that good stuff. So, y'all know what to do. I shall see you in the next one. Bye.